Good morning from AlphaCars. My name is Dan, and here we are checking out a 2018 Chevy Express van. But as you can see right away, this is not your typical Chevy Express van. This is upfitted by Quigley 4x4. It is riding on a 3-inch lift, Goodyear Wrangler tires wrapped over Method off-road wheels. This 12-passenger van has just traveled a touch over 23,000 miles and is ready for an adventure, that's for sure. It has this wonderful Smitty-built awning, roof rack, with endless possibilities for added gear and equipment. Wonderful matching spare tire. You got your tow hook. Stepping inside, it is your traditional 12-passenger van. Cloth bucket seats, an upgraded Kenwood head unit. Awesome little 4x4 button there. Rear heating and air controls. And a cavernous interior. Cool thing about this, all these seats are removable. So if you did want to upfit it for more passenger comfort or comfort for yourself and a spouse, that's definitely possible as well. In here we have running boards, heavy duty off-road running boards. There's a rear sway bar kit from Hellwig. And that will help with some of the stability on-road and off-road at higher speeds. Like I said, only a touch over 23,000 miles. It has a 6-liter V8, so it is a nice big motor. Capable of towing, obviously, and getting you unstuck when you want to get stuck. These Quigley 4x4 systems are proper. You know, you're talking a whole new front end, a traditional Chevy style 4x4 lever with 4 low and 4 high and just 2-wheel drive. The 4x4 light, which was added. In addition, you know, this van has traditional climate control, power windows, power locks. Checking underneath real quick, you'll see how cool it is. It's very clean. All the frame rails are free of any rust or protrusions. This van is ready for an adventure. The Method wheels look fantastic, wrapped in the Goodyears. Plenty of tread left. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful with the lift kit. So, if you're looking for something that is super unique and quite interesting for you and your family, or for even work or an adventure, definitely stop in, give us a call, check out our listing at alphacars.com for this 2018 Quigley 4x4 upfitted Chevy Express 12-passenger van. Any questions at all, give us a call, 978-263-9000. Check us out online, alphacars.com. We'd love to hear from you. From our Boxborough showroom, thank you very much for viewing this video.